Hello violinists, how are you doing? I hope you're doing great. I'm Fernanda Vidal and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to teach you how to play Gurenge by Elisa. This is also the first opening of Demon Slayer, so let's begin with the tutorial. This song is divided into 5 parts. We have A, B, C, D, and E. So first you're gonna listen how this must sound, and then we're gonna practice with pizzicato. So let's get started. Alright violinists, so let's begin with part A. Remember that you can find the sheet music on my Instagram highlights. Also remember that we have 4 different colors, each for 1 string: G string, D string, A string, and E string. Alright, so let's begin. Alright, this last part is the guitar part, so we're gonna make a little accent on the first note, like this. Right? Do you notice the accent? It's on the first note. Like this. Alright, so let's begin now with part B. Okay. Right, so let's continue with part C. Part C is really similar to part A because this is the chorus, okay? So we're gonna find some changes just at the end of the part C. We're gonna find a little scale, but I'm gonna explain it. Let's begin. And here we're gonna find the scale. Alright, I'm gonna repeat the scale. Like this. Alright, let's continue with part D. At first we're gonna find a quarter rest and then the second finger on this string. So let's play it. Okay. Finally, let's go with part E. On part E, we're gonna find a quarter rest at the beginning and then a string open string. So let's play it. Thank you for watching this video, violinists. Remember that you can find the sheet music on my IG highlights. And if you have any questions, remember to leave your comments down below. If you liked my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and tell me what other songs would you like to learn. See you soon. Bye bye.